Hello, this is a short video explaining your first steps in programming with Python. I can show you how to easily run Python code and learn Python online without the need of a computer or a strong computer. You can even do this from a Chromebook. So this is a video for students from high school or from junior high school, and you will need to create a Gmail account, and then you can use this tool. So you go to Google, Colab, and here you can follow this tutorial they give about Google Colab and what it is doing. This is all organized as Python notebooks, which is just cells of code and text, and they give more explanation how it works here. So you see you have cells of code of text, and then you have cells of code. But what I wanted to show you today, it's like how we actually can do our first step. So we'll create a new notebook. And let's say we want to write our first Python line. So let's say print hello world. And this is a code cell. We can run it from here. So we see like Google Colab is using virtual machine to run our code, so we don't need to install anything local on your computer. So yeah, it's printed hello. It printed hello world. We can also add some text cell here. So say this is a very short tutorial. Yeah, so then these cells can be organized like which one is first, which one is last. So you can just drag them like this. And yeah, you can actually follow a full tutorial on how to write code here in from this video, which my sons, one is in high school and one is junior high, they follow this full tutorial, more than 4 hours of coding with Python. So you can just try those examples as cells in IPython. And this is from Free Code Camp. Very good tutorial. Later, if you want to try more coding with Python or other languages, I would recommend, and if you have a good computer, I recommend you to install Visual Studio Code, which is amazing. So you just go to visualstudio.com and you download